Hey everyone, myself Bhavya Goyal, the student at IIT Gandhinagar. I welcome you at CodeChef and let's have a look at this question. Today's question is dice play. In this question, Chef is playing with two standard six-sided dice. After rolling both the dice once, Chef observes the numbers appearing on them. So we are given two integers A and B, which shows the numbers on the first and the second die respectively. Our task is to determine whether both the dice show the same number or not. If they're equal, we need to print yes, otherwise we need to print no. So basically all we need to do is we're given two integers, A and B, and all we need to do is check if they're equal. And if they're equal, we need to print yes, otherwise we need to print no. So the input will be given two integers, A and B, separated with a space, which are the numbers shown on the die. And in the output, we need to print in a single line, yes, if they are the same number or no otherwise. In the constraints, we are given that A will lie in between 1 and 6 and B will also lie in between 1 and 6. So in the first, both of them are equal, so the output is yes. In the second, they are not equal, so the output is no. So yeah, now let's see the solutions in Python and C++. So this is the solution in Python. We take in the input of A and B, and this is how we're taking in the input. So what are we doing over here? We're first of all taking the input of the whole line as a string, and we're splitting it with respect to spaces. So this much part will give us a list of strings. Now we want to convert that list of strings into a list of integers. So using this map function, we'll convert them from a list of string to a list of integer using this int. So this will give us a map iterator, which will map inside A and B. Now these A and B stores the two integers given to us in that single line. Now if both of them are equal, we'll just print yes, otherwise we'll print. Now let's see the solution in C++. So we'll begin by taking an input of A and B using the cin. Now if both of them are equal, we'll print yes, otherwise we'll print a no. And that's pretty much the whole solution. I hope you liked it. Thanks. Bye bye.